What's up? How you doing? It's bbmirasworld here again. If you're new, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, thank you for sticking around. I really appreciate it. So today I'm gonna be doing something. I'm gonna be trying out Asia's double eyelid makeup. I went to Miniso to shop and buy some things, and after that I was gifted this. I don't know if you can see this. It's a double, what's written there? It's a wide double fold eyelid sticker, and there are 240 pairs here. I have a double eyelid and I'm not an Asian. I have a double eyelid, but I want to see what difference this will make, if this is going to make it more defined. You know, Asians got like some single, not really all Asians, especially Koreans and Chinese, they have a single eyelid, and we have double eyelid. I don't know if mine is pretty much defined, but I'm going to be trying theirs and see if there's going to be any difference. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to do a simple makeup afterwards. So without wasting much of your time, let's move into the video right now. So yeah guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like. So basically this is what it looks like, and what's written here is Miniso wide double fold eyelid sticker. It has 240 pairs, and that's it here. So look at what it looks like. So basically I'm going to be starting now. There is something here which you can use to like make it frame in your eyes. So I'm basically gonna try one right now. So here I'm gonna be removing this. But first of all guys, I just finished taking my bath, and I am assured I don't have any oily or any sweats around my eyelid, so everywhere looks so dry. And yeah, so I'm gonna be taking one is actually out, and so now I'm gonna spot where my fold starts from, and this is where my fold is. So I'm just gonna place it in between here. So I'm gonna use this to make it frame and then push it in. I'm guessing I didn't put this so well, so I'm gonna make it go down. So yeah, it sits well on my fold. So basically this is what it looks like. So as you can see, the fold here looks more pronounced than the one here. So basically for those Asians who do not have any fold, this is going to help them have a fold. So now there are two types of these. The one that can go down here and up here, but I guess the one they gave me is just the one that comes here. So what happens is I'm going to apply my makeup on top of it, and basically that will be it. So I'm going to try this other one and then go ahead and make up, you know. So here I'll be taking this second one. This is still the first one, I don't know. I'll be taking this one, second pair of this one. I will have to place it. Where is my fold? Where is my fold? I have to place it on my fold. No. I guess it's not my fold. So yeah, pretty much my fold looks more defined, and then I'll go ahead and makeup, and I'm gonna put the eyeshadows on top of this, and basically this difference isn't so much because I have a double eyelid, you know, so basically guys, basically if you notice, my folds are now more defined, even though I had normal fold prior to now. They now look, because if I take this inside, they look more defined. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start making it. Yeah, I'm going to be doing an easy makeup right now, just to show you guys how you can cover it up after wearing the double eyelid makeup. So yeah, I need a very simple, I just want to do very simple makeup. So I'm going to be filling my eyebrows. I'm using this medium Pauline long wear gel eyeliner. I'm just going to use it to fill my eyebrows. So you can see my brows are not shaped at all, so I don't really like carving my eyebrows because most of the time I end up going out without wearing makeup, so I don't like carving it at all. So I'm done filling this part of my eyebrows, and I'm gonna come onto this part. So I'm done filling my eyebrows. I'm just going to align it right away. So I'm going to be aligning them using this. Just going to apply foundation and off we go, and then lipstick. So I'm not picking nothing, I'm just going to apply foundation because I'm running out somewhere, and then we'll get going. As you can see, I'm even applying foundation on top of it to cover it, you know. So I'll just go ahead and blend with this. So I'm done blending, so I'm just gonna use my eyeshadow and cover this up. Yeah, so here's my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna be using a darker shade of it. I think this is darker. They look covered right now. So I'm basically not following any makeup steps or protocols on this makeup. I'm just doing what I want to do when I want to do it, and so I can step out, you know. I'm taking my powder. I'm already sweating. Oh my Nigeria. So like. So basically, I think I'm done. So yeah, I'm already sweating, but anyways, so yeah, back to what made us start this video, which is this. As you can see, my eyelid looks thicker. It's already double, but this is like defining it so well, and basically that is what it is. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'll see you then. Bye.